Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a more.
Okay, you can't see nothing in it. Okay, we are getting ready for the first annual Christmas parade. Welcome to Vlogmas Day. I don't know at this point. Just welcome to Vlogmas. You can go stand over there so you won't have to watch it this way.
It's the perfect time to actually take some photos.
Oh yeah, you can get some photos.
Knock yourself out.
You want to stand over there? Go ahead.
Knock yourself
Go ahead.
Oh my gosh, here it comes. I need my phone.
Come on, stay over here. Jay, stay right. Look, Jay, look.
Maybe take some pictures.
I see that.
You see it?
Yeah.
Oh, they want to stand over there.
Stop being up.
Make sure you don't move.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter. Lose gravity, I'm swimming in the quicksand. Up to my knees. Keep losing sleep, I manic dream at midnight. So hard to please. Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the lower, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark, and maybe just a better kind of bitter.
Get Bryson back there. It is currently getting cold outside.
Hey, it's hot in here.
It might be hot in here, but it's cold outside. It ain't that hot.
Go check it, man.
It is getting cold outside. He's talking about it's hot in here. And it's cold. They just not putting the mail out. What you gonna record, Bryson?
Oh my God.
Okay, well, we are currently heading to Walmart because I underestimated this cold weather and thinking that, okay, they're going to have their gloves and skull cap. Why the kids have them not outgrow their gloves? So, gotta head to Walmart right quick and get them some gloves and skull caps. This one is requesting to get, why is you looking like that?
The video.
This one is requesting to get the camera because he wants to film, but yeah, the temperature is really dropping, which is a surprise because usually in December up in Texas it don't get this cold that fast, but lately it's been pretty chilly off and on. Like we'll get like a mixture of weather. 1 minute it's hot, next minute it's cold, raining, and now it's just been like the temperature just been declining. So I know it's supposed to be in like the 30s or something tomorrow morning. So yeah, just want to make sure the kids are prepared. They keep saying something about possible freeze. I don't think it's gonna get that cold, but then you never know these days. But let me get off of here and I'll come back to y'all once we get to Walmart.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that.
Cups from Hobby Lobby. Since I'm off today, we are about to get in these streets real quick before it's time to go pick up my son for his dentist appointment. So we're gonna get out here. I try to do a little filming or whatever, but this is what, December Friday the 13th. So no pun intended, but yeah. Get out here and get the last of this Christmas stuff, and like I said, try to do some things before I pick them up today. But that is it. I'll pick back up once we get in the car. Right here. Okay, just made it to Costco. It's not that crowded, but I'm not gonna bring my camera in. I'll probably film on my phone if anything. If it start raining, we coming back home. Oh. Give an umbrella, Shayla. Come on, Jay, Bryson, we going this way. No, they ain't got nothing. Come on.
Goodbye, I got my
We don't
gloves.
even care about them.
Excuse me. We are headed to the annual Christmas party in the community. Why y'all so far ahead? All right, well, I'll have to film once we get closer. need some? You want to go back in the house to go do the sauce?
No, that's good.
Go do the sauce. And we are making smash burgers. We're also gonna do the s'mores this evening. We're gonna do these. We're gonna use this for the first time. Use this. I got this from Costco.
I got the meme.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Little sister and baby brother.
Father.
Hey,
Hey,
how you doing?
how you doing?
Are you good?
Yeah,
You sure?
yeah.
I hear you.
What?
He happy.
Yeah.
Happy.
I think she's more excited than the boy.
I had s'mores since when I done this with Papa, so yeah, it's been a while.
Let's turn it on.
It's been a while, so.
Just give it time to heat up.
Now, let's see.
And it's a flameless s'more maker.
Start with the first name on the list.
Next time we'll have to do this outside.
So make sure I turn it this way. This should be actually my tea kettle. Other stuff I can't open because my son tends to watch my vlog, so I can't open I can't show the other stuff that came. Hey, Jaden.
Can I do that? Why?
Shayla, come here.
Daddy comes to me.
It's a box inside of a box inside of a box.
What's that thing?
Give me the scissors.
What is that?
A tea kettle.
What's a tea kettle? Oh, well you can pour your own tea.
And I got it matte white. I was gonna get matte black, but I thought the white would look better.
Mommy, cut the box. So, Daddy, mommy,
Uh-oh.
to the cut the box.
And this is the tea kettle. I started to get the black matte, but I just felt like that made my kitchen dark, so I got the white one. And this one was, I think, 19. They had another one, but it was the last year's brand, last year model. So I got this one.
No.
Oh, you want to cut the box? Cut the box.
Don't grab the
But
scissors like that.
that's it.